If you want to get more salary in 2025, you have clicked on the right video. Watch this video till the end as we will tell you the 10 tips that will help you to earn more salary in 2025. Without any further delay, let's start. Number 1. Initiate a discussion regarding a salary increase or advancement opportunity. When you derive fulfillment from your role and maintain a solid relationship with your employer, it is prudent to evaluate the opportunity to pursue a raise or promotion to enhance your financial compensation. Make a compelling argument for why you deserve to be granted either option. Your manager should clearly illustrate how your contributions drive revenue, as this will strengthen the case for your raise or promotion. Gain a clear understanding of your performance metrics and their alignment with your strategic business objectives. For example, showcasing the exact volume of new business you secured can effectively illustrate your achievements. Valuing positive feedback is crucial, whether it comes as an email compliment or a thank you note for exceptional performance. Establish a dedicated folder in your inbox to systematically organize positive feedback emails. In the same vein, maintain physical notes in a specific folder to guarantee that you can effortlessly monitor all the commendations you've garnered. Investigate similar roles within your sector and region, ensuring they correspond with your expertise by utilizing salary reporting platforms. It would be prudent to examine job listings for comparable roles to better understand the salary landscape. Should you identify any discrepancies, I encourage you to engage in a discussion with your manager while considering the pay transparency regulations that apply in specific states. Number 2. Maximize your financial opportunities. Ensure that you fully leverage your employer benefits, particularly any matching contributions available to you. Employers frequently offer matching contributions to retirement accounts, including 401ks and 403bs, as well as to health savings accounts (SHAs) and flexible spending accounts (FAS). This benefit has the potential to enhance your savings significantly. Understanding vesting schedules is crucial, as they often necessitate a commitment of several years before you can fully access your employer's match. For further insights, I advise you to examine your benefits package or engage with your HR department. Are you refraining from contributing to these accounts due to the organization of your student loans? The Secure Act 2.0 empowers employers to enhance their contributions to company-sponsored 401k plans by matching employee student loan payments. This offers an opportunity for enhanced financial backing. For those seeking to enhance their financial acumen, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel and show your support by pressing the like button. Number 3. It may be prudent to evaluate your tax withholding strategy. Consistent tax refunds generally suggest that you have overpaid your taxes in the prior year. Adjusting your tax withholding can lead to an increase in your paychecks. This entails minimizing the deductions your employer takes from each paycheck for federal, state, and local income tax obligations. It is essential to acknowledge that fulfilling your obligations to the government remains a priority. Insufficient withholding may lead to potential underpayment penalties and the accumulation of interest. Engaging a tax professional for guidance on your withholding calculations is a prudent decision to ensure accuracy. Number 4. Consider the opportunity to work additional hours or take on extra shifts. Consider the opportunity to work additional hours if you qualify for overtime, such as stepping in for colleagues who are on vacation. If federal overtime laws apply to you, you may be eligible to receive time and a half for any hours worked beyond 40 in a week. Review the state labor offices for applicable laws after viewing this video. Number 5. Start your freelancing journey. Consider utilizing your skills to pursue supplementary opportunities in conjunction with your existing role. A software engineer may take the initiative to engage in programming tasks beyond standard working hours. It is essential to communicate with your current employer regarding the gig to avoid any conflicts of interest or potential breaches of non-compete agreements. Number 6. Utilize your knowledge to its fullest potential. Engaging in a competition, delivering a speech, or managing an event may result in receiving compensation. Explore opportunities at local universities or community colleges to contribute as an adjunct professor in your field. One potential avenue to consider is the opportunity to join a company board, where your expertise could be recognized and compensated appropriately. It is essential to communicate your interests effectively to leverage your network for potential opportunities. It is essential to keep your manager informed about your extracurricular activities. Number 7. It could be beneficial to explore the possibility of a company or career transition. If you're not looking to change jobs, I encourage you to explore comparable roles at other organizations in your vicinity that offer enhanced compensation and benefits, including greater paid time off. Leveraging job offers as a negotiation strategy with your current employer can be a calculated approach. Should you possess the resources and opportunity to obtain further certifications, degrees, or licenses, it would be prudent to contemplate a career transition that presents greater financial benefits. Number 8. Evaluate the opportunity to pursue an additional role. For those seeking a more measured strategy, I recommend evaluating temporary work opportunities like a side hustle to enhance your income stream. To effectively steer our efforts, it is crucial to have a precise grasp of your goals. Explore job opportunities that provide flexible schedules, such as driving for a rideshare company or engaging in delivery services. Identify strategies that will transform your initial investments into a reliable revenue stream moving forward. If you possess a talent for photography, consider the strategic move of uploading your images to a stock photo agency website. This approach allows you to generate revenue each time someone acquires the usage rights to your photographs. Numerous applications exist that facilitate connections with prospective renters for your spare room, vehicle, or even swimming pool. For those seeking a consistent weekly income, exploring a part-time job could be a strategic move as long as it aligns with your existing commitments. Operating during nights and weekends may yield greater profitability compared to conventional business hours. Additionally, identify avenues to capitalize on your skills and consider the potential for evolving them into a full-time enterprise in the future. As a corporate accountant, there is an opportunity to support individuals with their personal tax returns during tax season, ultimately leading to the development of a significant client base and the possibility of moving away from the conventional 9-to-5 work schedule. Number 9. Identify potential income streams that you may qualify for. Having a rewards credit card allows for the opportunity to earn cash back. If you haven't redeemed your rewards in a while, it's possible that your accumulated earnings could effectively address your forthcoming expenses. Furthermore, there may be situations where you have not received your paychecks, overlooked bonds or accounts, or have pending security deposits. It is essential to evaluate whether there are any unclaimed funds that may be available for you to access. Number 10. Maximize the potential of your financial resources. For individuals who are just beginning to navigate their financial landscape and have yet to establish emergency savings, prioritizing the allocation of $1,000 or sufficient funds to cover 1 month's expenses is essential. This will establish a safety net to address any unforeseen expenses, such as vehicle repairs or healthcare costs. Subsequently, focus on building a reserve that can sustain you for a period of 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. It is advisable to maintain a distinct separation of these funds from your verification account and overall short-term savings. One strategy could involve allocating it to a high-yield savings account or a brokerage account, such as a cash management account. These accounts present an opportunity to drive returns via compounding and competitive interest rates. Furthermore, it is essential to direct more resources towards promising growth opportunities. For those seeking the ability to access their funds freely, without facing penalties or fees, establishing a brokerage account is a strategic option to explore. Please hit the subscribe button and also the like button as it motivates us to make more amazing financial videos for you all.